welcome back. In this video I finally get this bike to a level where it's ready for its first start. So I just top it up with oil. As you've seen in earlier videos, I've completely rebuilt this engine other than replacing the piston or rings. So I put new oil in there. It's just regular engine oil. Now the front headlight surround has seen better days, and the sun had attacked this and it was so brittle that it was just falling apart, and there was not a lot I could do with it, and it would have been a heap of work to make a new one. So I searched the globe, and unbelievably I found a brand new old stock replacement in exactly the right colour. So there it is there. Makes life a bit easier. It was a bit expensive, but you know, these sort of builds, sometimes it's worth paying the money for things like this that it's just impossible to find, literally. So it's a brand new old stock. Now here's this seat. This seat is not in very good condition. Same thing. I found a replacement which has been refurbished, and it's very nicely done, and it's going to match the bike, and it's very original in design and look. So two critical bits that are going to make a difference, I think. So I was just installed the seats, very simple, just one bolt and a hinge on the back. So I put that on, and with the seat on, the next thing I did is installed some new mirrors. So two new mirrors, and they go on pretty easy. And at this point, you know, I've got the new mirrors on. I've got the rear tail light there. I've got a lens on order, which is a very hard thing to find as well. It's still on its way. The seat's on. I still need to do a bit more work with some of the guards. And I've got the handlebars, you know, pretty much set up. Now I decided to paint this headlight surround there was a couple of scratches in it, so I just resprayed it, used some plastic primer and just polished it, and you know, it came out awesome. So, and that'll protect it from the UV light as well, given it's a 2-pack coating. I found a brand new headlight surround as well on that chrome. The headlight itself was in good condition, so I'm just using the original one. I put that on. I cleaned up the center badge as well that goes on this front piece, and I'll put that on in a moment. And this is a LED light to replicate the original one, so it looks almost identical to the original, but the original was all perished as well. New sprocket, and put it all together, and at this point I'm pretty much ready to see if it's going to start. So a bit of fuel, you can see here I've mixed 2-stroke oil directly in this fuel, because at this stage I'm really not sure it's going to start, and if it does, I don't know if the oil pump's going to work. So we'll just give it a go here, and this will be the first start for a very long time. So there you go, it starts well, but what I find is it blows heaps of smoke. So this is the next thing. I'll have to replace the rings, and I'll do that in the next video. Stay tuned.